Hi, my name is Manik. Today, we'll be talking to you about neural implants, their benefits and possible repercussions. But first, here's a bit of context. Neural implants are technical systems that are mainly used to simulate parts and structures of the nervous system with the aid of implanted electrical circuitry. As a result, this device enhances senses, physical movement, and memory. In more simple terms, a neural implant is a device which can do some real science fiction-y stuff. On a more serious note though, neural implants are essentially small computer chips which are implanted into your brain. Computers can do many things. One of these things is brain-to-brain communication. With the use of a neural implant, people can communicate with each other by means of thought. The use of neural implants is regaining vision and hearing. This is a major breakthrough as it not only breaks barriers in science, but can also literally change lives. Though these devices can be extremely useful, in every seed of good there's always a piece of bad. With neural implants, many issues are raised. These issues involve reliance issues. By using these devices, are we essentially placing our lives in technology's cold metal hands? Evolutionary issues. If humans are ever evolving, how will having an implant in our brain affect how we evolve both physically and as a society? Safety issues. What if this technology gets in the wrong hands or is abused? How can we avoid this? And finally, ethical issues. Should we be putting computers within our bodies? Our main focus in this video will be Neuralink, which is a company with eccentric billionaire CEO Elon Musk at its helm. Founded in 2016, Neuralink is currently working on a neural implant able to do all of the aforementioned things, but better and more mainstream. Neuralink aims to blur the line between computer and person with the use of what's called a brain-machine interface, or BMI for short. Interface would allow humans to communicate with computers and machines with their thoughts. Examples given by Elon Musk included using your phone with your brain, controlling a mouse and controlling a keyboard with mere thoughts. The company has recently and successfully accomplished this when a monkey, with the help of a Neuralink implant, was able to communicate with a computer. The article which discusses Neuralink in further depth is this one published by, I'm not going to pronounce that, on the 6th of August. It discusses how the implant works and why it's better than previous versions of similar electronics. The article also brushes on some issues and benefits of the product, and it is recommended to read it if you're interested in Neuralink. Nevertheless, with charismatic CEOs such as Elon Musk leading the innovations, it is easy to say that this tech will soon find its way into our homes.
So I'm just going to jump straight into it and tell you the benefits of neural implants and what neural implants could fix. The first thing is inherently existing conditions or disabilities. An example would be genetic blindness. Neuralink implants would enable people with genetic blindness to see and to be able to operate just like everyone else can. The Neuralink chip will create simulations through electrical impulses that will stimulate parts of the brain associated with vision. It can also help people with genetic disadvantages such as hemiplegia, paraplegia, and quadriplegia, all genetic disabilities which cause partial paralysis, to use gadgets such as smartphones and laptops, just like other people can, all with their tiny computer. According to the man himself, Elon Musk, a monkey, yes, a monkey, was able to control a computer with its brain and the neural implant. Of course, the monkey had no clue as to what he was doing, but hey, it's possible. This is possible the same way people will be able to use brain-to-brain communication, which is where two people who have the neural chip implanted into their brain are able to communicate without speaking, simply through the tiny computers in their brains. Kinda like telepathic communication. Neuralink recently showcased their state-of-the-art surgical robot, described as a cross between a sewing machine and a microscope. The company aims to complete brain implantations with this robot and say that it will take a mere 15 minutes to do so. Here is a short video from Neuralink showcasing the robot. it was essentially an advertisement for the company, the robot is nevertheless amazing. Moving on, with things such as Neuralink brain implants, humans will finally be able to harness the full power and potential of technology. For one, as mentioned before, we would have the ability to cure genetic disabilities such as blindness and also aid those in need with other more severe disabilities like quadriplegia. It will also allow very advanced form of brain-to-brain communications, which humans have been striving for and trying to do for decades, if not centuries.
Now, as for which demographic Neuralink will be aiming for, it will be a wide variety of people, ranging from patients with disabilities to people who want to experience the latest cutting-edge technology for themselves. And that's what makes neural implants so compelling. The fact that the ability to do things previously only seen in sci-fi movies is now real. Now, that's not to say that there are still many complications and obstacles which face the technology, but those are fast on track to be solved within the near future. Who knows, maybe in a couple years from now, you'll be watching this video in your brain.